Hi, I'm Stephen Goldstein with Goldstein and Handworker, and on today's video I'm going to talk about a very tough topic. If somebody is arrested with a felony charge for possession of controlled dangerous substances with the intent to distribute. How does that happen? Well, it happens in a lot of ways, but here are the most common. A, during a traffic stop, the police have some suspicion that there's some activity going on, and they search the car without a warrant, and drugs are recovered. They may search you as the driver or passenger, and drugs are recovered. They may think that there are drugs in the car, get a search warrant, the car is searched and drugs are recovered, or it may happen in a home. They may come knocking on your door at 5 in the morning with a search warrant, or they may enter your home for some other valid reason, such as checking to see if people are okay, and while they're searching, they find drugs. What are you to do if it's you who are arrested, or a friend or family member? Well, here's what the process is. And the first thing anybody who's arrested on these charges should do is do your best not to panic. It's a very scary experience, getting arrested. Sometimes people will then want to tell their story, what happened, why they're in possession of the drugs. The best thing to do, and it's very difficult to do, is to try and remain quiet. Sometimes the police will tell you that if you just tell them the truth, they can make it better for you. Understand the role of the police in any criminal investigation or in any arrest. The job of the police is to gather information for a prosecutor. The power rests with the prosecutor, not with the policeman or the detective who may be coming in to arrest you. You should be respectful. You should cooperate. You should not resist in any way, but you should tell them that you do not want to speak to them until you have a lawyer present. What will then happen is, if you are arrested, bail will be set. A judge will determine the bail based on the amount of drugs in your possession, whether there's any cash that has been recovered, or the type of drug that is recovered. Once bail is set, you can either call a bail bondsman to get you out, have a family member do it, or just pay the bail. An attorney will then be able to go in front of another judge and make an application to get the bail lowered if you're not able to make bail. You will then be part of a lengthy process, and we're not going to cover all that in this video, but it's safe to say that the most important thing for you to do is to try and get out as soon as possible and make bail. And that will be the focus of another video as to how to get your funds together to make bail. The third thing you should not do while you're in custody at this early stage is talk to other inmates who may be in the local jail with you. You don't know why they're there. And there are plenty of cases out there, and plenty of criminal lawyers will tell you how their clients were sunk because they confided in another inmate. Once you talk to another inmate, you have waived any confidentiality. You can talk to your lawyer and tell them anything, but if you tell any third person about the drugs, how they got there, if they're yours or not, then those people can use your information to try and get themselves a better deal on their case. It's a very scary experience getting arrested. You have to try and remain calm, remain quiet, and only speak to your lawyer about the facts of your case. Again, on another video, we'll go through the process of what happens after you are released on bail on a felony drug charge in New Jersey. If you have any other questions that you'd like to ask regarding this video, you can call me at the phone number that's below or send me an email. Thank you for watching.